Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for unemployment online in Nebraska. To start, navigate to the official Nebraska Department of Labor website. You'll need your Social Security number and detailed employment history ready. The online portal is designed to walk you through the application process efficiently, ensuring you provide all necessary information. It's a straightforward system, but having your documents prepared beforehand will make it even smoother. Let's get started. Before you begin the online application, ensure you have all your personal and employment information readily available. This includes your full legal name, current address, and contact details. You'll also need the names and addresses of all employers you've worked for over the past 18 months. Be prepared to provide your gross wages from each job and clearly state the reasons for your separation. Having these details organized will significantly speed up your application. Once you've entered all your information, take a moment to carefully review everything for accuracy before hitting submit. After successful submission, you will receive a confirmation number, which is crucial for tracking your claim. Remember, filing your initial application is just the first step. To continue receiving benefits, you must file weekly claims, certifying your eligibility and job search efforts. Stay diligent with these weekly submissions to avoid any interruptions. To maintain your unemployment eligibility, you must actively search for work each week and keep a detailed record of your job search activities. It's also vital to accurately report any income you earn, even from part-time or temporary positions, as this can affect your benefit amount. Staying informed about the requirements is key to continued support. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your job search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.